Hi everyone, welcome to Hmong Bilingual Storytime with Miss Jer. Ntxawm Kulumbehu Miss Ntxawm, Guyatu Children Librarian Nyob Hopkins Library, Ho Hennepin County. Gujong Shia Hetian Hu Noni Shida Jetalokonku, Dobe Hmong Bilingual Storytime Nothia. Nu Nok Guyo Ying Eel Pondo Dobe Mlong, Thiab Laguyo Hu Eel Jango Gatina, okay? So today I'm going to share a couple of stories with all of you. And we're going to sing a couple of songs together. And before we begin, I just want to remind and also encourage all of our adults at home to participate along with your little ones. And please feel free to pause this video at any time to allow some interactions. All right, friends, let's start our story time of a hello song. And if you've watched my first video, then you're probably familiar with it, all right? So this hello song has some American Sign Languages incorporated into it. So we're going to be very careful not to touch our face with our fingers, okay? So the first sign is hello. And to sign hello, I want you to take your hand. Now I want you to bring it close to your forehead. And just like a salute, you're going to bring it out, just like that. Good. Hello. The next sign is friends. To do that, I want you to take your two fingers and I want you to make them hug, just like friends. The next sign is time. And to sign time, I want you to pretend that you're wearing a watch on your wrist and we're going to point to it, just like that. Time. The last sign is to say. And to do that, I want you to take your pointing finger, point it to your chin, and bring it out to say. All right, I think you got it. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. Now we're going to sing that one more time, but this time we're going to sing it in Hmong, okay? So how do we say hello in Hmong? Ntxawm, Ntxawm. Good. Now, how do we say friends in Hmong? Pong you, Pong you. All right, I'm going to need your help to help me sing this song. Here we go. Ntxawm pong you, Ntxawm pong you, Ntxawm pong you. Nu zon lu shi hoi bei hai Ntxawm. Good job, friends. All right, now before we begin with our first story of the day, I have 3 flashcards here that I want to go over with all of you. And they're flashcards of animals, and we're going to learn their names in Hmong, okay? The first one I have here is a duck. How do we say duck in Hmong? Aw. Do you like to swim like a duck? And if you look carefully in the video, I have a whole bunch of baby ducks somewhere. Can you find it? There it is. Let me grab a little duck here. Look at that. Now, I want you to be very quiet and I want you to listen to the baby duck. What does it say? Can you swim like the baby duck? Good job. We're going to put baby duck right back on there. Here's the next one. Are you ready? What is that? A butterfly. In Hmong, we call butterflies bao bai. Bao bai. Can you look carefully in the video and find the butterfly? Right there. Good eyes. I'm going to take the butterfly. Look at this beautiful butterfly. Can you fly like this butterfly? We're going to put her back right here. All right. Here's the last one. Who is this? A monkey. And in Hmong, we call monkeys Lia. Lia. Tu Lia Luche Nyokotu. Where does this monkey live? What do you think? Can you share that with your grown-up? All right, friends, let's go over the names one more time in Hmong, okay? What is this? Oh, good. What about this one? Mbombai. Mbombai. Here's the last one. Leah. Leah. Good job. All right. So our first story today that I want to share with all of you, it's called Hmong Food, and it's by Ntxawm and published by Project Hmong in St. Paul, Minnesota. I'm going to scoot up here so I can share pictures with you. Hmong Food. Hmong cho show Hmong. Tu show lum be hua ba hyung. Don't get hungry now, okay? I like to eat rice. Gu nien no mo. Look at that boy taking a big bite of rice. I like to eat egg rolls. Gu nien no ga yo. Do you like to eat egg rolls? Go nien no ga yo. I like to eat fish. Gu nien no jay. Look how happy he is. I like to eat chicken. Gu nien no kai kai. Especially chicken wings. I like to eat nava. Gu nien no nava. That's a really good dessert. This little boy is making me hungry. I like to eat noodles. Gu nien no mi. I do not like to eat peppers. Gu nien no guo zao. Look at his face. It's too spicy. The end. All right, and some other books by Project Hmong that I really like is also called I Am Hmong, Guya Hmong. There is also, there's both an English and Hmong version of the book. So make sure to check that out with Hennepin County Library, all right? Okay, so I want you to think for a second, what is your favorite food? What do you like to eat at home? And what's your family's favorite food? And I want you to turn around and share that with your adult while I get ready for our next book, okay? All right, friends. So I took a book from Mr. Bear and the 5 Little Ducks, and they were reading A Mother for Choco. And this is the book that I actually want to share with all of you today. So let's find out what it's all about. Here we go. Iling nia to Choco. Tu show pondo hu o kiko casa. Chô cầu do ý tư mình nhỏ nông. Nữ nhỏ ý linh sư. Nữ xa có nữ mua ý linh nịa. Thế xì nữ nịa do linh tư. Do linh đỡ mua ý nữ. Nữ sợ mù thịa nữ nịa. Choke was on his way to find his mom. Oh, look who he met. Who is that? A giraffe. Choco munji itu giraffe. Choco hai tia. Oh, nia giraffe. Có đang đai ý à li cú. Có bố ya cú nia. Tu giraffe tế tia. Cú thọt tia. Cú chỉ ya con nia. Vì tia cú tôi chỉ một tí trong lý con này. Miss Giraffe says, I don't have wings like you. I can't be your mom. Choco muji penguin. Choco hai tia. Nia penguin. Có một tí ý giả lý cú. Có bố ya cú nia. Penguin tế tia. Cú thọt tia. Cú chỉ ya con nia. Vì cú ó xa plu. Tôi chỉ lo lý câu xa. They Choco G itu walrus. Choco no tia. Oh, nia walrus. Có ở xa plu. Lo li cú xa. Có bố ya cú nia. Walrus tế tia. Công lông rong rong. Cú tư chỉ mua ở chai cái tờ. Chứ chai lý có chai. Có chỉ cho là thắt thá cú. Oh no. Miss Walrus is not too nice. Choco một cho tư lò. Nữ thịa chỉ tâu. Ý linh nịa có dòng li nữ li. Oh, look at Choco. He looks really sad. Thầu nữ bọt niền đài Daisy Apple. Nữ bao tiền đài nhưng chỉ ở nữ nịa li. Vì tia đài tư chỉ dòng li nữ. Choco thia tu xie hình. Thia nữ thia tàu bia qua. Nia, cú xá tàu ý linh nia. Đài nó nữ qua. Đài thia cái kia lò sai. Để ya vì đã chỉ. Thia tóm lòng Choco bia. Đài hiu. Thia nữ tía. Ê yo tía có mua ý linh nia. Nữ yo ô lý cha. Choco qua thiết tế tía. Tôi rộng. Nữ yo bua cú. Đài chợ muốt Choco bua chua thiết nữ tía. Rong li nó ló. Yo. Thiết tế rộng. Nữ cứ yo nữ cú ó xa plu thia. Choco tế gì. Đài chẳng ca. Nữ thia nữ ó xa plu. Đài nữ tía. Rong li nó ló. Choco tế tía. Yo. Thiết tân rầu. Nữ cú yo hung gâu. Thiết sinh chén đo cú. Có cú rong xia. Đài nữ tía. Rong li nó ló. Look how happy Choco is now. Thòng gỡ ó linh đề thiết lọ sò. Niệm đài hai đô Choco tia. Choco. Tê rổ cú ua có ý linh nịa. Nhưng tao thia. Choco nưu tia. Có ló. Choco tê chí tia. Ta xì. Có tư chín đa li cú. Có chỉ mua tí li cú. Thia có chỉ mua ó xa plu. Lo li cú thia. Có ai chạy khu tơ lò. Tôi chỉ dùng li cú chạy. Nhiên đài thiết tế tía. Oh, ya tía cú dùng li cơ hai. Kì này yếu cháu lùa hình li. Đài thiết Choco. Bí lùa. Ok. Nhiên đài. Hai đô Choco tía. Cú cho menyua ta to cú bề chê. Có cú lọ cùng bê thêm cho bé non cho cái gì. Dê cho cậu đo nhận đài mù chế lờ. So, Mama Bear's children are at home waiting for her. What do you think her children look like? Có xa đi nhận đài chấm nhỏ trong lịch cha. Lỡ bố mình nhọn đài lên nhận đài thia. Let's find out. Thảo niên đài thia cho cậu một cho chế. Niên đài cho mình nhỏ kia là khi khó đông. Thia hai nhỏ trong trò lần nè. Niên đài hai cho cậu thia. Choco. Nói yo. Hippie. Allie. Thia Piggy. Cú yo lên nè thia. Look at that. Are her children all baby bears? Are they all baby cubs? No, they're pigs and hippos and alligators. Nhỏ to hậu chế chú Yuav thiab lu shon lua. Look how happy the kids are playing together. Tỏ cá và lỡ tông no cho Yuav niệm đài múa tan thò này cho mình nhỏ lọ khờ. Cho cậu trong xe hình, để giật cỡ linh luôn dây luôn mua chỉ trong ý à. Lò nhận đài tứ lọ ua cho cậu, ý linh nhẹ trong lời. The end. Okay, ta lâu. Bí phong đấy cho cậu là sáu lý nó. Nếu cứ một thiab tàu ý linh nhẹ, thì ý chính hình trong lời. Okay, so cú sẽ cần ý xe đánh đua nó. Nên dễ cho cậu này nếu bố trong xe. Lò nên chính tu xe lý thổ bí. Dạ vì lý cha có thể sao lên đó. I want you to look at this picture and think about how Choco looks. Does he look happy or sad? And why do you think that? Can you share that with your adult? All right, friends, that was such a fun book, and that's one of my favorite books. And I want you to retell the story to each other, to other friends, to other family members, or just to your grown-up again, okay? And this story concludes our Hmong Bilingual Storytime today. And just like our hello song, it's time to say goodbye, all right? But instead of hello, we're saying goodbye. But let's do it in Hmong, okay? But first, how do we say goodbye in Hmong? Xin ji doa. Can you say that? Xin ji doa. Okay, here we go. Xin ji doa pong yu. Xin ji doa pong yu. Xin ji doa pong yu. Ntxawm shi he bei hai. Xin ji doa. Good job. Can I have you turn around to your adult and say, thanks for joining me for Hmong Bilingual Storytime? And give them an ear high five, okay? Now, before I go, I just want to encourage you to keep talking, keep singing, keep reading, writing, and keep playing as much as you're able to until we see you next time again. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. All right? In the meantime, please continue visiting our Facebook page for more story times, as well as visiting our website at www.hclib.org for online and early literacy resources, as well as check out our ebooks and audiobooks that's downloadable. All right, friends, bye. See you next time.